choosing the right hosting provider can be overwhelming, especially when comparing a powerhouse like Google Cloud with a well-established provider like HostGator. Google Cloud brings cutting-edge technologies and unparalleled scalability, while HostGator is known for its affordability and user-friendly features. In today's video, we'll break down Google Cloud versus HostGator, covering everything from pricing to performance to scalability, features, and ease of use. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform is better suited for your needs. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick introduction. Google Cloud. It is a cloud hosting giant that provides enterprise-grade solutions focused on scalability, speed, and global reach. It's perfect for businesses and developers who needs high-performance infrastructure. HostGator, on the other hand, is a popular shared hosting provider that's beginner-friendly and budget-conscious ideas for personal website, blogs, and small to medium-sized businesses. These two platforms cater to different audiences, so let's break down their features in detail. So, when it comes to the ease of use, these platforms are very different. For HostGator, it is designed for beginners with intuitive control panel, which is cPanel, and a simple onboarding process. They also include a drag-and-drop website builder and one-click app installation for WordPress, Joomla, and others. HostGator is perfect for users with no technical expertise. Google Cloud, on the other hand, is aimed at advanced users and developers with its highly configurable options. The dashboard, which is Google Cloud Console, is a robust but can feel overwhelming for beginners. Google Cloud requires some technical knowledge to get started, especially for deploying websites or managing instances. Now, if you're a beginner, HostGator is the better choice. For developer or businesses that require flexibility and control, Google Cloud is more suitable. And so, performance is crucial for any website. So how these two platforms compare? Now for HostGator, it is a shared hosting, meaning resources are split among users, which can lead to slower speed during peak times. The average loading time can last up to 1.8 seconds to 2.72 seconds according to my chart right here. Now, they guarantee 99.9% uptime, but occasional downtimes during high traffic spikes is possible. Now for Google Cloud, they are built on a global network with data centers across the world, ensuring low latency and high speed performance. The average loading time is 1.2 seconds depending on your configuration. The uptime guarantee is going to be 99.99%, backed by enterprise-grade infrastructure. Now, Google Cloud offers unmatched speed and reliability, making it ideal for performance-critical websites or apps. And if you're planning to scale your website, it is also important. Scalability is where these two platforms differ the most. For HostGator, they have limited scalability in shared hosting plans. Upgrading to VPS or dedicated hosting is an option, but it's a manual process. Now, HostGator is better suited for small to medium-sized websites. Meanwhile, for Google Cloud, they are designed for seamless scalability with options like virtual machines instances, Kubernetes, and auto-scaling features. They are perfect for businesses with growing traffic or larger scale application. Now, if you're choosing scalability, the clear winner is going to be Google Cloud. And pricing is an important factor for many users, so let's break it down. For HostGator, it starts at $2.75 a month for a shared hosting or the hashlink plan, with renewal rates of $6.95, or as of the moment, it is $11. You can go ahead and get all of these features right here for the hatching plan itself. It offers unlimited bandwidth and storage on most plans, and it includes free SSL certificate and a free domain for the first year on your website security. You could just navigate through the official website to go ahead and look at more details for each plan right here. Google Cloud, on the other hand, their pricing depends on the usage. You pay for what you can use, which can be cost effective for small projects but expensive for high traffic sites. For example, hosting a small WordPress site can be around $10 to $15 a month, but larger applications may cost significantly more. They include a free tier for new users offering $300 in credits for the first 90 days. Now, if you want to go ahead and look at the pricing for Google Cloud, you can just navigate through their official website, and from here, you can then go ahead and see the pricing section. Inside, we have the pricing category overall in tools. If you want to go ahead and get the pricing for Google Cloud, you can just go ahead and click on this. Or if you want to calculate your cloud pricing, you can also go ahead and do so. And HostGator is more affordable for a small websites and beginners, while Google Cloud provides flexibility pricing for advanced users. And right after that, let's now look at the features and tools each platform offers. For HostGator, they have one-click installation for WordPress, Magneto, and other CMS. They have free SSL, and they have unmetered bandwidth and storage. And lastly, they have standard features like cPanel, website backups, and email hosting. Google Cloud, on the other hand, offers advanced tools like Compute Engine and BigQuery. They are highly customizable virtual machines and server configurations, and they have unparalleled integrations with other Google services like Firebase, cloud storage, and AI tools. For developers and businesses, Google Cloud offers a superior tool and flexibility. For simple website, HostGator covers all the basic. And so, let's talk about security for these websites right here. Once again, for HostGator, they offer free SSL certificate for the basic firewalls, and they also offer site lock for malware protection and code guard for backups, but these are paid add-ons. For Google Cloud, they have industry-leading security with DDoS protection, encryption, and identity management. They also have automatic backups in real-time monitoring and compliance with major standards like GDPR and ISO. Google Cloud excels in security, but HostGator security features are sufficient for smaller websites. And so, what is the base use cases for each of these platforms right here? Now, you want to go ahead and choose HostGator if you're a beginner or a small website owner looking for affordable, easy-to-use hosting. Or if you're building a personal blog, portfolio, or a small website. You want to choose Google Cloud if you're a developer or business owner who needs scalable, high-performance hosting. Or you want to choose Google Cloud if you're running an e-commerce store, SaaS application, or a website with global traffic. Now, the key takeaway is that HostGator is ideal for simplicity and cost-effective, while Google shines in power and scalability. And so, that's our detailed comparison for Google Cloud and HostGator. Which platform are you considering for your project? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more hosting comparison and tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.